Hey everybody, this is a GermGuardian air purifier. I recently changed the filter in the last 2 days, and the Hepa filter light turns on. If you don't know how to change the filter, let me show it to you. Go in the back, push this tab down, and remove the filter. Easy. And this one already has doggy hair on it. It's only been 2 days, and look at it, because we have 2 dogs. So put it back. It's easy, just slide it in there. Put the cover back on and push it, and you hear that beep. Now let me show you how to reset it. Push the power button. This is the power button. As you can see, it's blinking. It's making that noise. Hepa reset. Now, in order to reset the Hepa filter, get a paper clip, or this one is the phone SIM card. Push it in the little button here, hold it for 5 seconds, and there you go. It's done. Can you turn this off? Turn it on. That's it. That's how you reset a Hepa filter on a GermGuardian air purifier. And so this is only for this particular model. Some you need to hold the power button, some you need to hold the fan speed. So for this particular one, I'll put the brand name, the model number on the video, so you know what it is. Right, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time, and I hope you subscribe. Alright, thank you, bye bye.